Hello folks, this is Liu View channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called Grandma's Fried Veggies. And the main Chinese name called Cai. The main ingredient we need the ground beef. If you have ground pork, it's okay. Or ground turkey, any ground meat is okay. We probably need half of this, I think probably 8 ounces. And we also need the kills, probably a big bunch of kills, and 1 teaspoon of ginger, and a handful of spicy pepper, and Chinese black fermenter soybean, and a bunch of parsley. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. We cut the kills. These kills we cut it as small as we like. You cut the salad. Cut it as small as possible. Yeah. This dish is you can use any vegetable to cook it. You can use the kill. Usually the original one they use the preserved turnip, turnip, or those kind of vegetables. And I use a cube. And the vegetable you choose, you can use the vegetable don't have a lot of water. When the fry don't have a lot of water, those vegetables can be used in. If you have a lot of water, you try to drain the water out of those veggies. That's why I take the cubes, because we fried won't come a lot of water. So usually you also can add mushroom to it. We cut the pepper. This pepper it's a spicy pepper. We just get those part off. We don't need it. We don't need to get the seeds off, so it doesn't matter. The seeds can have it or without seeds, either it's okay. You just cut it like this. Those are parsley. We chop some parsley. So just chop it as small as possible. Turn on the stove, medium fire. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. And raise the pot. When the pot is hot, we add the ginger into it. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger. You can add 1 tablespoon and fry it. When the ginger release the good smell, we add half pound of ground beef into it. And slowly fry until the fat in the ground meat come out. You can use ground beef. This is ground beef. You can also use ground pork, or you just use the bacon, chopped bacon, or turkey. Yeah, any ground meat is okay. But the meat need to have some fat, not too lean. We just slowly fry. Medium fire, slowly fry until the fatty come out from meat, and this meat is cooked. We go next. When the most the fat coming from the ground beef, we add a Chinese black fermented soybean into it. This is the black pepper. We add a pinch of black pepper to it. When the fermented bean releases a good smell, then we add the cues into it. This is the soy sauce. We add one teaspoon soy sauce to it. This is salt. We add 1 teaspoon of salt to it. We turn the hair to low, a little low. We just fry until the cues and fully cooked. You try it. The cues are ready. This is the spicy pepper we add to it. Fry until the spicy pepper and cooked and become soft. Then we're done cooking. Add a quarter cup of water to it. This is chicken soup based mixture. We add a pinch to it. When the pepper is nearly cooked, we add the parsley into it, the chopped parsley, and cook it until Then we try. After this, we try the pepper. The pepper is cooked. This dish is done. We try the pepper. Okay, this pepper is cooked. Pepper is cooked, and this dish is done. We turn off the stove. So the grandma's fried veggie, this dish is done, and hope you like it. So please subscribe, share, like, and comment. See you next time.